It's a dream of every home cook to get a perfect neer dosa which neither sticks nor breaks, and it is super soft and just as perfect as possible. Hi guys, welcome to Vidya Cooking Diary. Today I will show you the best ever step by step way of making those perfect neer dosa which will definitely make everyone who eats say wow. I will make sure that I will clarify your doubts regarding this amazing coastal Karnataka delicacy along with the various tips and tricks. So without any delay, let's get started. Today I have taken about 2 cups of white rice. I have taken the Sona Masuri variety of rice. I feel it works the best for neer dosa. Now I'll add plenty of water to this and I'll wash it really well. I have washed this rice for about 5 times. So we'll wash the rice and we shall keep it aside for minimum of 4 hours or overnight. The white rice has been soaked for 4 hours. Now I'll get rid of the excess water and I shall make a batter out of it. So to make this, I'll be transferring all the white rice to the mixie jar and I'll be adding an important ingredient here, and that is 1/4 cup of grated coconut. Adding this grated coconut takes the neer dosa batter to the next level. Okay, now I'm adding about half a cup of water, and using the pulse mode in the mixer, I will be pulsing it for about 5 times so I break the rice. After that, we shall proceed and use the normal mixer function and we shall grind it into smooth paste. As I have told, I have added only half cup of water now. Once it grinds a little fine, I'll add another half cup of water to it. One tip I want to give here is don't add excess water at the beginning. You'll never get the perfect consistency if you do that. So I've added another half cup of water and now I'll be grinding it into a fine paste. Okay, so the batter seems ready to me. I'll just show you how it looks. Look at the consistency, guys. It's like almost like a paste like, but with very small bits here and there, and that's how the neer dosa batter should be. Look at it, guys. Now comes the most critical part where most of them go wrong, and that is regarding how much water needs to be added. I have added plenty of water to my mixer jar so that no batter goes waste, and using a 1 cup measuring cup, I will tell you the exact amount of water used. So like this, I'll keep on going on adding water. I want to give a pro tip here as to if you add excess water, please do not worry. What can you do is you can add some rice flour to get the right consistency. So today I have added about 6 cups of water here. That includes the 1 cup of water which I have used while making the batter. The consistency of the neer dosa batter should be like that of a buttermilk. I'll show you how exactly it should look. See, it should flow out of the ladle so easily. So the neer dosa batter looks perfect. Now let's add the final ingredient, that being salt. I've added about 1 tablespoon and 1/4 teaspoon of table salt to it. Now let's mix it well and let's start making the dosa. So here I've taken a non-stick pan and which I've let to get heated properly. Now it's super hot and I shall drop a ladle full of the batter and I shall swirl the pan this way. I have spread the dosa batter uniformly. Now let's cover and let's cook it in high flame. Let's check if it's done. It looks perfectly done to me. The dosa has come out from the sides, so it will be very easy to get it out of the pan also. I'll slowly remove it from the pan now. Look how easily it has come out, guys. Let's transfer it into a plate and let's make more neer dosas. I want to give one more pro tip here, and that is whenever you're pouring a dosa, just make sure that you take only one ladle of the batter. Don't ever go for the second ladle of batter because that will make your dosa really thick and not really great. So even if there's a space in the pan remaining without the batter, please do not worry. Just go with one ladle of batter. Like this we shall make all the remaining dosas. I hope I have clarified all your doubts regarding making this perfect dosa. If you found this video helpful, do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow this recipe and say goodbye to those imperfect, sticky and thick neer dosa. Look how easily I'm able to handle this dosa. I'll just pull it off and show it to you guys. Look, it does not stick at all. It's like the dream neer dosa, right? Look at those spots and everything. Just so perfect, isn't it? I'll just fold it to you and show how easily I'm able to handle this. Ta-da! It's ready. Thank you for watching, guys.